It is currently Thursday, the 28th of August. Y'all, my hair falling down. It was in a bun, but it's coming on down. We are 2 days pre-moving. But we are packed and ready. Okay, like, it's done. The only thing that is left is like the stuff that I use every day, which tomorrow it will be in a bag. Like, oh my gosh, like this is happening. This is really happening. So I'm fixing to give you guys a tour of what everything is looking like. So I will say, first of all, ignore my room. I'm living out of a suitcase, literally. And I literally got ready this few minutes ago. Well, not a few minutes ago, but a couple hours ago to go somewhere. And per usual, I was late. But yeah, as you can see, everything is packed and ready, set, go. So we have hired movers. So things like you see stuff that's still in the dressers, the movers wrap all that stuff, like all that stuff. So not really worried. But trash I gotta get out. I gotta tape up this box. It was kind of my last minute stuff because it had my devotionals and things like that. This is like a donate box. Y'all know I coupon, so I got all of that. This is kind of what this area is looking like. But this is the laundry room. Like I said, you know, I coupon, so that's really where all that stuff, everything there is packed. It's very late at night, y'all. It's like 11 o'clock. Braxton is asleep. Remember, we tore his bed down. Y'all, Braxton, I don't understand this child. Like, he found toys out of the woodwork. But the only thing I have to do in here is, of course, get this straightened. And I need to take those shelves down. I need to take his floating shelves down. But he is packed and ready, set, go. In his room, closet. We have things stacked in there. But he's good. And I gotta get this water out this fish tank. So that's the last minute stuff there. Guest room. Mama is still here, so she still have, you know, her little oddity and stuff. But everything is good. I gotta get that picture down. Gotta get those curtains down tomorrow. I gotta get curtains down in my room and this room. But everything here is literally ready, set, go. Y'all, mama in there fixing some. So excuse the drill. But all of this is gone. So yeah, that is that. And then comes what has been looking like the worst part of the house, which is the living room. But this is kind of where we kept a lot of things. So that's why everything seems so cluttered, so crazy. But it's all there. I told y'all she ain't here fixing some. Still got the blankets out. All of this stuff ready, set, go. Ready, set, go. We gotta do a trash run. Ready, set, go. Trash. All trash. And then kitchen. Ready, set, go. Ready, set, go. And everything back there, y'all see the top of mama's head. It's all ready, set, go. We got to get all of this trash out of here, which is, yeah, that's what we got to do. But everything else is literally ready, set, go. So, yes, the next time you guys will see me will be moving day. The truck will be here. The movers will be here. All of the family and friends that are coming to help us will be here, and that is going to be Saturday. My better half is coming tomorrow, so he'll be getting the TVs off the wall. He'll be getting the pictures off the wall, like the pictures and stuff I can't move. He'll be doing all of that, y'all. It is raining. I'm gonna go get me some good sleep. But yes, I'm gonna continue to take you guys on the moving series. I think this video is going to be all the packing, all the process of the packing. That's what we probably gonna name it, but that's kind of what this is going to be. So I'm gonna close this vlog out And the next one, you will just kind of see them packing the truck and us waving bye-bye to Mississippi. And that will be very short, sweet, and simple because I won't record a lot of the guys. I won't be getting anybody's face. So, yes, the next time you see me, we'll be at our new house, and I'm so excited. I'm definitely going to give you guys a empty house tour and take you guys on that journey. When I get there, I have to clean, and I'm fixing to clean. So, that's that. And so, yeah. And then from there, it's going to go, I'm not going to say me back going in the dark. I want to try to get creative with vlogging. Morning routines and things like that. I want to be creative. I want to be that vlogger. So I really don't want to ghost y'all again. I'm going to try not to. I want to try to stay consistent, but where I was working in the past, consistency was hard. So we'll see. We'll see how everything goes. But I hope you guys have enjoyed our moving series. Yeah, your girl finna put her hair back in this bun and get in this shower, and she finna call it a night.
The next day.
What's up, fam? Let me fix my hair. What's up, guys? So, you know, we have been on this moving journey, this moving series. Yeah, that's what I've been calling this moving series. And your girl just packed up her office. Got on down. As you guys know, I work for a mental health facility. Today is my last day here. I don't care about you guys seeing the background anymore because when you see this, your girl won't even be in the SIP no more. She will no longer be a Mississippian. So enjoy the view. But yes, today is my last day. So I'm just stopping by a few of my old stomping grounds, meaning the places that I've serviced while I've been here. So I'm going to see some of my kids. I'm going to see some of my adults. I saw one adult group this morning. But yeah, when I say I'm in this thing, like I'm packed, that container is not from my office, but all of the other stuff is. Yeah, like I had to drive my truck today because it was real. Like, it was real. Although this very moment right here is not the last time I'm going to see the office. I actually have to come back. I have a certain time that I can submit my final time card. So I'm gonna come back later on this afternoon, submit my final time sheets, and take them that equipment so your girl can be free. You hear me? Free. And you know what, I'm sitting here thinking, like, if I take my computer and stuff with me, I can really submit my final time card at the HR building. So you know what? That's what I'm about to do. Hold on, y'all. Let me get my life right.
The next day.
Hey, Frizz. It's moving. Oh my God, I can't believe it. He ain't coming?
No, he probably is. Hold that. Oh, you probably gonna need that to get in the house.
Yep, I got my key.
Daddy?
To go get $1. Go ahead.
Y'all, it is officially our moving day. Like, today is the day. The moment is now. Like, oh my gosh. This is insane. I cannot believe it. Oh, turn that fan off because it's cold in here. Y'all also hang my keys up. Like, wait. Yeah, it's the day is the day. Today, hold on, y'all. Y'all, today is the day. Today is move-in day. Cannot believe it. It's finally here. Y'all, we are leaving Mississippi. Oh my God. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Military got us collecting receipts down. But me and Braxton just came back. Well, all of us just came back. Me and Braxton had to go get some more tape because the boxes are boxing right now. I still have a lot of open boxes, so I had to go get some more tape so that I can get these boxes closed, girl. I'm gonna try to show you guys what everything is looking like. Let me just turn y'all around. Do this real quick because the movers are supposed to be here at 9 and it's 8:30. So like I told y'all, box open. This box got wet, so it's really no good. But everything in the living room, as I've been boxing stuff this morning, I've been kind of dragging stuff. I started another trash bag because I needed that. All that is good. Braxton has some odds and ends stuff in his bathroom that I need to put, but nothing is under here. We have tiles in here just in case we actually stay here tonight, just in case. But we got all that. Guest room is all broken down. That's trash. So all of that is broken down. Nothing over there but pillows and things like that. So yes, Braxton's room. Like I said, we pretty much got knit together. He got to put that slinky in there. There's a few things that he needs to pick up out his room. I'm gonna close this box. This was for his bedding. That's why it was open. Got to take his shelf down. So like I said, we may be staying here tonight. So I left out a blanket closed for him just in case we stay here tonight. I got to get this water out this fish tank some kind of way. I probably let one of these men lift it because that thing is heavy. My better half dad is on his way. So they're gonna take the TVs down, etc. This is our room. Like I said, I gotta get this box closed. Y'all, it's cold. Our room have the most work that is left to be done because I was living pretty much out my room. So I gotta get all that out and in stuff. Just kind of off the dresser, get that box closed. Got our stuff just in case we sleep here. I got all the stuff off this thing here. I got my toothbrush, this. I'm fixing to wrap this up and put it up. I left that out so I can wipe this off. I got to wrap my mirror up, and that's it in here. So yeah. Yes, guys, it's real, and it's really here. So I'm fixing to go ahead and wrap up a few things. Like I said, a lot of these blankets and stuff are probably going to stay open stay out because we might need to sleep here tonight, which a good thing is, I was going to say we're going to have our couches, but we won't even have those because they put everything on the truck. So I will keep you guys posted along the way. Friends, we are out. The time has come. Everything is gone. Y'all, we are out of this joint. Out of, yeah, I see Braxton. We got this joint. My man needs to come get his tools, y'all. I need him to come get these tools. But yes, this is the empty house tour. We are officially signing out of Mississippi. This is Braxton's old room, y'all. That's why he wanted to show y'all. We signing out, y'all. And let me tell you, we tired. We are so tired. I have one more stop. It is currently 7:50. I woke up at 5:30 this morning. It's been rolling ever since. We have 2 U-Hauls. 2. But we've made it. And yeah, we made it. But I will check with y'all when we... Y'all, my man looking at me so crazy. Tell him do it for the vlog. Do it for the vlog. No, I was really doing it for the vine. He tired, y'all. We tired. But I'm gonna catch back up with y'all when we get in the car.